Understanding, to say one's piece, master English expressions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, to say one's piece. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds a lot of meaning in everyday conversations. Whether you're engaging in a discussion, participating in a meeting, or just sharing your thoughts, knowing how to use this expression can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make you confident in applying it in real-life situations. To say one's piece means to express one's opinion or viewpoint openly and frankly, usually in a public or group setting. When someone says their piece, they share their thoughts, feelings, or arguments on a matter, regardless of whether it leads to agreement or disagreement. It's about having the opportunity to speak up and make one's position known. Using to say one's piece is all about timing and context. It's best used in situations where there's a discussion or debate, and you want to contribute your viewpoint. You feel strongly about a topic and wish to express your thoughts. There's a group decision being made, and you want your opinion to be considered. Here's how you can integrate it into a sentence. I just want to say my piece before we make a decision. After listening to everyone, I'd like to say my piece on the matter. Remember, it's about expressing your thoughts respectfully and confidently. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. In a team meeting, before we conclude, I'd like to say my piece about the project timeline. I believe we should extend it by 2 weeks to ensure quality. During a family discussion, I know we disagree on this, but I need to say my piece. I think we should reconsider our plans for the summer vacation. In a public forum or social media, ***, I've read all the comments, and now I want to say my piece about the issue. It's important to look at it from different perspectives. And that's everything you need to know about to say one's piece. This expression is a powerful tool for expressing your thoughts and opinions in English. Practice using it in different scenarios to become more fluent and confident in your English communication. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you on your journey to mastering English expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.